Ocean air rolling cool through the night. Salt on my skin and the moon sitting high. You move beside me, no need to speak. The silence between us is steady and deep.
Waves keep time with the beat in my chest. Not rushing forward, just giving it rest. Every step falling soft in the sand, like something unseen is guiding my hand.
I'm not trying to figure this out. No need to question, no space for doubt. It's simple in a way I forgot. A feeling that doesn't need to be caught.
Your presence lands like a low warm tone, not pulling me outward, just bringing me home. And something inside me starts to expand, without any effort, without any plan.
The wind moves through and I feel it clear. There's nothing to guard, there's nothing to fear. Just an open horizon inside my frame, where everything quiet feels the same.
I don't need a hold on or hold back. No pressure to follow, no need to react. It's all just moving and I move too, without losing myself in you.
There's a balance I feel in the space we share, where I'm fully here and still aware that this isn't something I have to keep. It lives in a place that runs more deep.